Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Devi AI, which is a smart and easy to use tool that is designed to help businesses and creators find customers through social media automation. So whether you are a freelancer, agency owner, or just someone who is trying to grow your online presence, Devi AI promises to help by scanning the platforms like Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, and more to find people who are looking for your services. It can actually generate AI powered replies, auto engage leads, and manage all of your conversations in one place. I will walk you through exactly how you can create your account here. We will also talk about their pricing and plans. I will show you how you can install their extension, and we will also take a look at some helpful features of this particular tool. I will also give you my personal review, sharing what I liked about the platform and what could be better. Now, as always, all the links are in the description box, and I have also added the timestamp so that you can skip to the any section you like. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we will start by coming at Devi AI. So the spelling is ddevi.com. I will also put the link of it down in the description, or you can use the search bar in the top in order to search for ddevi.com. Now, once you are on this page, you will be able to see that it can monitor keywords to find the organic leads and outreach. And these are the places that can be utilized with the help of this particular tool. Over here, you will be able to see a bunch of other sections in the top like pricing and features, 5 AI assistants, and the chat support option. So we will talk about these features later, but first we will start by signing up for a free trial. So here you need to click on the start trial option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will be able to see there two plans. In the first plan you are going to get the monthly deals, and the second one is the yearly deals. Over here you can start a 10 days free trial for just $1. So if you are interested, simply click on this option. Once you are on this page, you need to provide your name here. So after providing your name, you need to simply provide your email address. Then you need to provide your phone number here. So after filling all of these details, simply click on the sign up option in the bottom. Now, once you have successfully created your account, it will say that an email is sent successfully on your email address. So you need to simply launch your email address just like so and click on this option in order to log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, your interface will look something like this. As you can see over here in the top, this is your account section. Now, in order to get the full advantage of their features, you will have to sign up for the 10 days free trials, and that is going to cost you $1. So you need to simply click on this option. You will be landed on this page. Here you can select any of the payment methods like card, cash app pay, and bank. Then you can start your free trial here. Now, once you have successfully applied for the free trial, now, once you have successfully applied for the free trial, you need to come back on the home page, and this time instead of the start free trial option, you will see the install extension option. So once you click on install extension, it will redirect you in your Chrome web store, where you need to click on add to Chrome or add to Opera, and then you need to simply add this extension. So after clicking on this option, the Devi extensions will be added in your extensions tab, and from where you can easily start managing it. Now, if we come back at Devi, you can see their pricing and features. So again, if I click on their pricing plan, so we have the monthly deal, and for this particular deal you are going to use it for 3 AI tools. Here you can select for which platform do you want to use it, and the more platforms you choose, the more you will have to pay. So this is how it actually works. Then you can apply for the premium plan and you can start using it. You will also see what type of features you are going to get here, like you will be able to monitor 25 Facebook groups, and you will see free AI outreach plan. You will also get free AI visual content scheduling. So these are some of the features that you are going to get with the help of this particular deal. You can also apply for the yearly plan. Now over here, if you click on the open dashboard option, your dashboard will look something like this, where it says that you have successfully installed the extension. Over here, you need to provide the info about what do you offer or sell, ideal customers or the location. So you need to provide that information here, and your business name and your business website. Then click on the next step in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to also follow further on screen instructions in order to apply for this particular platform. So if we come back on the home page of Devi, you will see all of the recommended products. So these are booking.ai, marketers.ai, AI lead generation, reach influencer.ai, email marketing. AI is also in the soon section, and you can also use this particular platform for creating websites and landing pages. Now if you face any kind of problems while using the platform, you can also click on the chat with us option, and you can start your chat or your conversation with it. Now here are some of the things that I like about this platform. First of all, it is very easy to set up. It is very great for freelancers, small teams, and anyone who is doing outreach. It saves times and it removes any kind of guesswork with smart alerts. The only cons that I can tell you about is advanced users might want more control over their messaging, and it is more powerful when used across the multiple platforms. So best if you manage a lot of channels. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.